Welcome to A Minute with Azuma, where we turn ordinary into extraordinary. Cooking, a series of small acts of care, is akin to removing life's imperfections, one bone at a time. With tweezers in hand and precision in heart, we make our dishes perfect. No need for extravagant ingredients. A heart full of care turns even the simplest ingredients into a flavorful feast. Each meticulous slice, each precise cut, infuses our dishes with charm, making them a delight to the senses. Remember, cooking needn't be complex. A sprinkle of salt, a dash of warmth, a heart full of care. These are the secrets to a delicious dish. Amid life's hustle and bustle, simple cooking can convey the sincerest emotions. As the smoke clears and the aroma fills the room, it's more than just a dish. It's a testament to love and gratitude for life. Simple care and dedication can elevate any dish, turning the ordinary into cherished memories. Cooking with care, consideration for those who savor our dishes, that's what makes each meal not just a delight for the palate, but a warmth for the soul. Until next time, keep those stoves warm and your hearts warmer. Welcome to the Make Your Dishes Extraordinary by Following Azuma Techniques series. Today we dive into the world of flavor enhancers. Imagine this: white wine vinegar, a fruity and sweet concoction perfect for your fish, chicken, and pork dishes. Now think red wine vinegar, a buddy for your lean meats and an elegant addition to your salads. Mustard and mustard seeds, a mild and slightly spicy treat, can be applied directly or mixed with sauces. Then there are capers. These unique flower buds offer a distinctive acidity, ideal for fish dishes, sauces, and salads. And who could forget the king of cheeses, Parmesan? Rich in flavor and aroma, it's a must-have for Italian cuisine. Balsamic vinegar, made from concentrated grape juice and aged to perfection, is great for caramelizing with butter for meat sauces. Lastly, anchovies, fermented and soaked in oil, give a unique salty flavor, making them perfect for both meat and fish. They pair excellently with tomatoes, potatoes, and other vegetables. So, get creative, add these ingredients to your dishes, and watch them transform into something surprisingly delicious. Welcome to the realm of extraordinary dishes with Chef Azuma. Today, we're taking the humble chicken thigh and transforming it into a crispy delight. The secret? A perfect ratio of 8 parts skin to 2 parts meat. Our ingredients include 2 juicy chicken thighs, fine salt, a fresh potato, a spoonful of olive oil, 30 grams of butter, a teaspoon of mustard, a dash of 7-spice chili powder, a bottle of high-quality white wine, a couple spoonfuls of cooking wine, a tablespoon of water, some finely chopped parsley, and a sprinkle of white pepper. First, salt the chicken thighs and pop them in the fridge. Next, slice and salt the potato. Heat the olive oil in a skillet and roast the chicken thighs, skin side down, adding the potatoes until golden and crispy. Now, for the seasoning sauce. Add butter, mustard, chili powder, and other ingredients to the skillet and watch as the magic happens. Finally, plate up those crispy chicken thighs and golden potato slices. Voila! Extraordinary dishes with Chef Azuma, where everyday ingredients become culinary masterpieces.